Hello guys, what's up? I am Alpha, and in today's video I'll be discussing with you how you can use MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence indicator, and RSI, that is relative strength index indicator. In my previous video I discussed with you how you can use MA, EMA, Bollinger Band and KDJ indicator in carry out your technical analysis. And in today's video I'll be discussing with you how you can use MACD and how you can use RSI indicator in carrying out your technical analysis. What does MACD actually does and what does RSI do? MACD has the ability of taking the average of a convergence and divergence trade pattern in a coin, while RSI, relative strength index, is basically using determining where or using predicting what people are about to do and where the coin is currently going. So this is our MACD. This is our MACD over here. So how do you use this MACD? In MACD we have something we call the signal line and the trend line as well. So this is my signal line. Can you see my signal line? Once it crosses over the trend line, which is our pink line, I'll be buying. Can you see once it crosses, this coin actually rose. Then the moment it crosses downward, this coin actually falls. So the moment it crosses upward again, sorry, it has direct me to other coin. I think I'm a little bit I'm pushing this thing a little bit too much. So once the yellow line crosses the pink line, it rose. Then once it crosses over the pink line, it falls. So that is how you can basically use your MACD. So how can you use your RSI indicator? Well, in RSI we have something we call overbought and oversold. So what does it mean when a coin is overbought? When a coin is overbought, it means it has been greater than 70 or probably 80. Once this yellow line is a little bit more than 70, let's take for instance here at this particular okay, coming, okay, see here at this particular exactly, the RSI is at 78 here. That is, the coin is overbought. See what happens next. The coin falls. Once people has overbought a coin, the next thing they'll be doing is to sell it again. So this coin is currently at 22. That means you'll be looking for buying signal, which is what? Oversold. It is oversold here, then people will be willing to buy because it has falls. Look at here, the coin is what? Overbought here, then it falls. Same thing applies to here. The coin is overbought, then it falls down a little bit, then it becomes overbought again, then it falls and falls and falls till it reaches this particular stage. Hope you understand. So in RSI, those are the two ways you can actually earn. And overbought is basically considered when a coin or RSI reaches 70 or 80, while oversold is known when the coin reaches 30 or 20. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button below to have access to my previous video on where I teach you how you can use other indicators apart from RSI and MACD. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to have access to my previous videos and my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Hit on the subscribe button below.